In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create due dates in Google Sheets. This process is a straightforward yet powerful way to keep track of your tasks and ensure everything stays on schedule. Let's dive right in. You might be surprised to learn that adding due dates to your spreadsheet is as easy as performing a simple math calculation. In Google Sheets, dates are treated as numbers, where each day is simply an increment of 1. This makes calculating future dates a breeze. First, you want to start off with your existing Google Sheet, where you already have a starting date for a task. This is our reference point, the date from which we want to calculate a future due date. For instance, if you have a project that starts today, that date is what you'll input into your sheet. Now, in an adjacent cell where you want to compute the due date, click to get started. With your cell selected, type in an equal sign. This is your signal to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. After the equals sign, click on the cell containing your starting date. This references that original date in your formula. Next, type a plus sign followed by the number of days you want to add to your starting date. For example, if you need a 30-day timeline from your starting date to your due date, simply type plus 30. Once you've entered this simple formula, press Enter. You'll notice that Google Sheets automatically calculates a new date for you. It's truly that simple. If, for any reason, a number rather than a date appears, don't worry. This just means the cell format needs to be adjusted. The solution is to change the formatting of your cell to a date format. Select the cell, navigate to the Format menu at the top, hover over Number, and then choose Date. This will ensure that your calculated value appears as an understandable date rather than as a plain number. And just like that, you have your due date. This little trick can help improve your project management by allowing you to see at a glance when tasks are expected to be completed. Remember, this same method can be applied to any date and adjusted to any duration that fits your timeline needs. It's adaptable, efficient, and a reliable way to manage deadlines with ease directly within Google Sheets. By automatically creating due dates, you'll be better equipped to handle your projects with precision and oversight. It saves time and minimizes the risk of human error, giving you peace of mind as you keep track of important timelines. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.